Guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this amazing face mask that will smooth your face and make it look younger. So guys, watch this video to the end and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this post through Facebook and you are finding it difficult to subscribe, all you need to do is to go to your YouTube, open it and search for Juliet and click on the subscription button and subscribe, and also like this video. So guys, to make this face mask we need carrot and cucumber. You chop your carrot and cucumber in a small size. So guys, the next thing is to wash the cucumber and put it in a pot and cook for 10 minutes. So guys, the next thing is to put it in a blender and blend it very well. So guys, after blending, you sieve. So guys, I will use this one to make a cream. So I will use the remains for face masks. You add 1 vitamin E capsule. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So you add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then you mix it very well. So the next thing is honey. You add 2 drops of honey. So you mix it very well. The next thing is to apply it on your face as face mask. So I'm going to apply it right now on my face. Use 2 slices of cucumber to cover your eyes so that when applying it, the mask will not enter your eyes. After applying it, you can remove it as I'm doing right now. So guys, when you apply this mask on your face, you allow it to dry. Let me say like 1 hour, it will dry. Then you wash it off. This face will make your face smooth and make it look younger. Just try this remedy at home and tell me your result in the comment section. So guys, this is end of today's video. Please like this video and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.